6-2. San Beda with the lead. This is the 15 and under division. The drive, hang time, goes glass. De Los Reyes with the basketball. No hesitation. 3 goes for the banking shot.
And De Los Reyes putting the team on his back with that bank shot. I'm not sure if he called it, pero basta pumasok, okay lang.
Diba? Talagang pinapakita lang talaga nila kung ano yung kaya nilang gawin. They're trying their best to hold their ground against a powerful team like San Beda. And, eto nila yung kanilang talent and their ability to match up against school-based squads.
The best thing about these club-based squads, they don't care.
Sa ating liga. Kasi yun na nga, yun lang is matuturn ng Dream Chasers yung bola sa other side.
Good intention though on that play. Open na yung kakampi niya dun sa ilalim. Medyo na overpass lang, di na salo.
Torres missing on the gimme. De Los Reyes, wala na namang takot. Gets the jumper.
And San Beda not capitalizing on their open looks. Tinan mo ngayon, Dream Chaser down by 3 na lang.
Grabe to si De Los Reyes. Quick trigger. Ayan. And somehow, it's working for them. Ito naman. Susubok sa tres. Will miss. Torres with the board. Spin move will miss Torres. Reverse layup. Ayaw.
At yun na nga, another sloppy play by the Dream Chaser.
Batang to. And now he's going for the drive. Mawawala lang yung bola sa kanya. Gimarangan at the line for his bonus shot.
And good body control by Gimarangan on that play, absorbing the contact.
Completes the N1. And with back-to-back.
Diop off the nice pass from his point guard.
De Los Reyes, mawawala yung bola sa Dream Chasers. And now, number 23 ahead of the pack, missing the lay-in. And De Los Reyes with the steal.
And a little bit of showboating right there from number 23. Tinitingnan pa yung kalaban niya habang nagle-layup. Di talaga pumasok.
And now, number 6 will go to the line for 2 more free throws. Quick release, and he goes for the lay-in. Magmimintis nga lang. And a steal by San Beda. Another steal, 3 seconds to shoot. 27, fires up a 3, misses. To shoot, 27, fires up a 3, misses. Missing everything. And now, that's the end of the 28. San Beda with a 6-point lead against the Dream Chasers.
Sa liga di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung
San Beda bench, yung Dream Chasers bench.
Oo, kaya na lang i-match na yun. Unlike kanina, no? Parang sobrang kulang itong Dream Chaser.
Oo. So ayaw din talaga magpatalo nito ng Dream Chasers. Not only in game, even sa bench unit nila. Ang dami na rin nila.
And I'm sure they're gonna play hard right now kasi look now, the lead 43-39. Kaunti nilang to para sa Beda with 2 free throws pa. Yun nga lang, na-miss yung unang free throw for number 22.
Second one. Still strong. But he gets the steal. The lay-in, masyadong malakas pa rin para kay number 22. Another chance para sa kanya. Redemption arc on that play.
Misses 2 free throws. Gets the put back. Misses that shot. Isa na naman. He makes it on the third attempt.
Siya yung epitome na walang susuko. Ilang beses magmintes. Walang susuko as number 27 will be fouled.
The big boy driving it out from the perimeter. Getting that foul to go for 2 free throws.
Number 24, nowhere to go. Gives it to Pito. Quick 3. Missing. And now 19 ahead of the pack. The layup works. And now 19 ahead of the pack. The 22. Uy. Stepping.
And I don't know where that pass is going to. Walang tao dun sa corner.
Open daw kasi yung bleacher side. So doon yata pinasa. Pero ito, mukhang babawi na naman si number 22. Good pass coming from San Beda. Altamirano kissing it off the glass.
Soaring through that paint area with the floater with the right hand. Banks it off the glass.
Now it's a 7-point lead for San Beda. Pito hesitates. Up. Goes to his teammate. Attacks the middle. The step through. Altamirano, the wraparound. Maaagawan siya doon.
And Altamirano, a big guard. Look at him towering over his opponents pero kaya niya magdala ng bola.
Number 22. The sling. Pito for 3. Short. Beda with the board. Beda trying to find the open man. Beda trying to find the open man. Finds a double-digit lead.
And good job by the guards of San Beda fighting the big men inside for them to eat in the paint.
San Beda, I think they know that in terms of their height and even big man lamang sila. So they're trying their best to find their big man like kanina si Aquino, si Balita, even si Torres. And now it resulted them rather to a 6-point lead, 47-41.
Good box out ulit dun by Torres, securing that ball.
Ito, a strong drive with a great finish for San Beda.
That's number 12 from San Beda with that beautiful reverse layup. Itong si Fabiliar. That's number 12 from San Beda with that beautiful reverse layup. Itong si Fabiliar.
And now it resulted them rather to a 6-point lead, 47-41.
Good box out ulit dun by Torres, securing that ball.
Ito, a strong drive with a great finish for San Beda.
That's number 12 from San Beda with that beautiful reverse layup. Itong si Fabiliar.
At ito, makakaagaw pa sila once again. 19. Easy to will fall.
Good passing by San Beda on that 3-on-1 fast break with an ease to si San Buenaventura.
Now, Dream Chasers with the basketball. Under a minute to play. They're now down by 10. To cut the lead. Jumper is short. They're off the break. San Beda will be lead. Jumper is short. They're off the break. San Beda will be fouled.
Tough move right there by number 12, absorbing the contact. Falling to the ground pa after, pero yun nga, naka-foul yung kalaban sa kanya. Another lefty in the game pala tong si number 12. Actually, Miggy, ang dami nating lefty in this game from both teams.
And ibig sabihin lang yan, madami tayong shooters.
Tama, maraming magandang form kasi lefty. And speaking of lefties, we haven't seen De Los Reyes come back in this game yet.
Yes. So, di ba, sinasabi natin maganda yung form ng mga left-handed shooters kasi unique eh. Mga left-handed shooters ngayon sa larong to, masasabi na ba nating unique na yung right-handed shooters?
Tama, in this game, sila na yung rare commodity ngayon.
Oo.
And that's a good trap right there by San Beda. Kita mo doon yung mga trapping zone talaga sa may half court, right in that area. That's where teams wanna trap.
Strong move coming from Altamirano on that time.
That end, the San Beda clogged that paint pag-attack niya, so he didn't have much of a choice na napatravel tuloy siya.
And now, ball will still remain with Dream Chasers with under 10 seconds to shoot before halftime. 5 seconds to shoot. Are they going for an ISO play to end it up? And that's it. San Beda will end the first half strong, 55-41 against Dream Chasers.
Determinado sa laro, wicked. Liga, 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 Velvet Gilig Basketball, liga, 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 Velvet Gilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag
Fourth quarter of action. So number 77 who made 1-3 earlier is now with the basketball. Goes to 12. Jumper is good. Goes to 12. Jumper is good.
Good short-stop jumper from number 12. Itong si Fabiliar.
Baluyot swings inside. Steal by number 30. San Beda on the loose. The Red Cubs just going wild. 103 with under 3 and 34 in the fourth quarter.
And that's Arakel, the big man, number 30 from San Beda, taking it coast to coast all the way for the layup.
Just show you how the height and the big man of San Beda is proven to be too much for the Dream Chasers.
And Arakel showing some versatility on that play. Kahit sabihin mong big man siya, kaya niya makipag all the way.
And kasi ano na tayo nandito na tayo sa modern day of basketball na the big mans are skilled to the point na kaya nilang gawin kung ano yung kayang gawin ng guards.
Yeah, right now it's positionless basketball. Tinan mo nga itong Dream Chaser, parang 5 guards sila on the court, di ba?
Small ball lineup naman sila. As number 2 flips it up, a foul will be called. Another chance, will miss. San Beda with the board. 103-65. At ayan na naman, free lane. 103-65. At ayan na naman, free lane. Walang ka-resistance. San Beda gets the job done.
And Fabiliar with the jelly on that play.
San Beda gets the job done.
And Fabiliar with the jelly on that play.
And I think kaya niya nagawang naging jelly yun kasi nga walang defense, interior defense na nangyari on that last possession.
Tama, no resistance whatsoever. And here we go with number 12 again.
The drop off. And boards it home.
Good patience again by number 77 with the up fake. Ledesma.
Fourth unit of Beda being unleashed in this game with under 2:14 left. So, ang daming opportunity for them para magpakitang gilas.
And this is a
Panood din dito yung mga shooters na natatago lang. As number 12, Jack Sapatri will miss. As number 12, Jack Sapatri will miss. Another opportunity for San Beda. Another opportunity for San Beda. And he converts.
Fabiliar again stringing up some baskets in this last 5 minutes of Fabiliar again stringing up some baskets in this last 5 minutes of the fourth.
mananatili yung possession sa kanila. Underneath, 30, flips it up, will miss, another chance, and that converts.
Yung laban talaga tong si number 30, si Arakel, kahit sabihin mo tambakan na yung laban. Tira mo, he still goes for the ball, still gets it.
Cruz at the right corner, swings it. The middle, good shot. Nowhere to go, fires a 3. Missing everything. Para
Fabiliar losing the ball on that play.
111 to 65. Para
Fabiliar losing the ball on that play.
111 to 65. For the taking already. Yeah, with only 20 seconds left. This already, it spelled yung height advantage nila. Yun talaga yung nagisusi para manalo sila in this game.
Yeah, and yun talaga yung Achilles heel nila for this game. You know, mahirapan. Actually, maraming teams na mahirapan sa San Beda with their height. But a second to go.
At yung nakakatakot dito sa San Beda is that we're already scared. First game pa lang nila. At hindi pa natin nakikita yung iba nilang mga baraha. Kumbaga yung height lang yung nakita natin sa kanila na nakakatakot in this game. Pero coming into their next match, baka yung outside shooting nila hindi natin masyadong nakita this game lalabas. Yung the way they attack, yung defense, we know na this San Beda, meron pa silang mga bagong ipapakita towards this Velvet D-League Season 2.
Tama, and with players na parang itong sina Altamirano, di ba? Itong sina Fabiliar, mga guards nila. Marami pa itong mapapakita in the coming matches. Itong sina Fabiliar, mga guards nila. Marami pa itong mapapakita in the coming matches.